Hi, I'm Lulu, the founder of Clothes Doctor, and I'm so excited to give you an exclusive look at our seasonal Scent and Protect box. It's designed to take you on a delightful journey through the changing seasons with the delivery of fresh scents to uplift, refresh and protect your wardrobe from moths throughout the year. Inside you'll find everything you need to keep your clothes fresh, clean and protected, from our brand new pheromone traps, which lure male moths in without harsh chemicals, to 3 of our best-selling Protect Me scent bags packed with lavender, eucalyptus and sandalwood. In our complete Scent and Protect box you also get our gorgeous liquid detergent for knitwear, which is scented with Himalayan cedarwood and orange, plus our beautifully fragrant cedarwood and vanilla drawer liners and knitwear mist. All filled with natural fragrances and totally safe for children, pets and for everyday use. And when you subscribe, you unlock big savings, exclusive perks and even surprise gifts. With 0 commitment from you, you can cancel anytime. And we're so sure you'll love it, we're even giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're ready for fresher clothes, chemical-free moth protection and a little love for your wardrobe, then this is your sign. I am so looking forward to welcoming you into this special community.